Good morning, guys. I am again in winter wonderland here. I'm all snowed in. I gotta go outside and clean this off. So it is 16 degrees out right now and 5 degrees Fahrenheit with the wind chill. My hands are absolutely killing me from the cold. But one good thing about that is when it's this cold, the snow is very powdery, so it's super light and pretty easy to clean off, except for some of the icy spots. But the snow itself is really light and easy to clean, so I guess that's the one benefit to it being like this freaking like Arctic temperature. Alright. I think I'm actually gonna hit Dunkin' this morning and get a bagel. I will say they did a pretty good job of clearing the roads last night. Everywhere I've been so far, they've been pretty great. Alright, so stopping at Dunkin's here quick. Just gonna grab like a bagel, maybe a coffee, even though I think their coffee is crap. Alright, got bagel and peanut butter for breakfast and a Dunkin' coffee. So I am in a small town this morning that I've actually done a video in before. And in that video I went to find a bathroom, and their visitor center here has a bathroom. So, going to check that out, see if it is open today, and then I have a place to brush my teeth this morning. Alright, we're about to find out if that bathroom is actually open. Let's go. Check out those new tires. Heck yeah. Damn, look at those things. Well, that was a success. That bathroom was open, so onward. On my way to Minuteman National Park this morning to go for a snowy hike. Well, the parking lot at the national park is closed, but there's a few more, so I'm gonna see if I can find another spot to park. All the parking lots for the national park weren't plowed yet. There was a few cars parked in one of them, but even though I have new tires, I'm not going to risk getting stuck there. So I parked somewhere nearby that I know it's not part of the national park, but the parking lot was all plowed and I'm good to go. So I'm going to hop in back, change in some running clothes, and we're going to hit the trail. I'm at Minuteman National Park, and this is like the visitor center parking lot. Looks like one car has gone through, nothing's plowed, but it is 18 degrees Fahrenheit and 7 degrees Fahrenheit with the wind chill this morning. So it is cold. It's going to be a very short run, and I will come back here again and explore this some more and show you guys all about it, because this is just a treasure to have close by to where I dwell. All right, heading back to the van. That was a super short run, but I wanted to get some movement in before heading off to Worcester to visit my family with my son. I am back in the van and I am fogging up. Look at these new gloves. I got these for Christmas. I wanted something like this for filming because they're fingerless, but you can flip them over and they have a magnet built in, so it holds that and the little thumb one too. These are awesome. All right. Still foggy. We had a good time visiting family. I got some laundry done while I was there, and now heading back out to the Metro West area.
check these out. Vegan protein pancakes. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get some of those pancakes. Got a little treat from Target, some water, oat milk, and gonna call it a night. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow.